If parents are the ones who give you wings, it's your friends who help you fly. But it's not necessary your peers have to be your friends. It can be your classmates, acquaintances, companions, etc. So why is peer pressure a major concern today? Peer pressure can take many forms. It can be the way one talks, their body language, dressing sense, and more. You feel you're being watched, being judged for someone who you're not. This indirectly impacts you and makes you perform actions that you never intend to do. It can be defined as a feeling that one must do the same things as other people of one's age and social group to be liked or respected by them. So how do you help your child handle peer pressure? Easy peasy. Here are 6 ways to help your child handle peer pressure. Build a healthy relationship with your child. Being a parent, it's extremely important for you to sow the seed of a friendly bond between you and your child. Have a fun chat with your child. Ask them how their day was. Ask if he or she made new friends. Get a good understanding of their friend circle so that you can ensure your child is treading the right path. If you sense something that's inappropriate for their age, educate them what's right and what's wrong. Perform bonding exercises. Aren't long walks the best way to get to know your children? Spend quality time with your little ones. Tell them how moral values shape up one's life and how negative energy can lead one to destruction. After all, you've come a long way and you have seen life. Let your child choose and help them gain confidence. Parents have to be the pillar of strength through thick and thin. Children of the new generation have learned to be more frank and open with their parents. By being open and social with children, they tend to share with you about what they feel without any fear. By doing so, it will be much easier for parents to guide their children right and encourage them to make the right decision. Limit exposure to television and social media. The digital era has certainly made work a lot easier. But on the other hand, it has become the major cause of concern amongst the youth because of the presence of unsafe content. So don't you think being parents, you need to keep an eye on the TV viewing habits and the kind of information they digest from social media? Cause a diversion. Use this opportunity to walk them through useful channels that can build up knowledge and curiosities. After all, virtual learning is on a roll now these days. Keep a close but restricted watch on their peers. When we say a close watch on the peers, that doesn't mean you've got to transform yourself into a detective. A friend should be more like a window to the outside world. If your child is a pampered kid, then it's high time they crack the shell and experience what the real world is like. That's where a good friend comes into the picture. They give you a good reality check and ensure you're on the right track. Make sure your child is surrounded by a healthy peer group. Call them over for small eats and treats so that you'll get to know them better and see how cordial they are. Practice saying no. The word no is quite easy to say when you dislike certain things. But when the same is forced down your throat by your peers, it can take a wrong turn. It's okay to be the way you are. Everyone has different perspectives and thought processes. Sticking to what's right is what matters the most. So inculcate the habit of saying no in children. This will stop them from doing something that's wrong out of peer pressure. Friends will come and go in life. But the ones who stay are the ones who teach us the real meaning of life. They might be peculiar or bruised, but one with a big heart is the one who stays with us in the dark times.